started using Facebook, there would obviously initially you would have had a very high payoff. You would have felt so good that
Oh, yeah,
how was that
definitely.
journey like? Did it was it always consistent or has it dropped now?
Okay, so for me, I'd say Facebook when I joined it, like I was addicted because I felt like I'm doing something really cool.
Yeah,
I'm on this really amazing platform where I can, talk to people and just like get to know them more, even though I was too scared to talk to them in real life.
yeah,
And it was just one of those things where it gave me that place where I could just be having doing some like anything I wanted, whether it be playing games or just going to profiles, liking different pages, interacting with people, whatever. And I used to spend a crazy amount of time on Facebook, man. Like I never realized how much time we've spent like as kids on that one platform, whether
yes.
it be playing Fumble or whatever, like some random game, or getting to like just go to pages and looking at videos and God knows what all that we were doing.
Add here, fortunately, we didn't have smartphones back then. Otherwise,
Yeah.
the time spent would have increased so much more. Like
Oh, do tenfold for
you
sure.
just had a PC, and probably there was one PC in the house, so you had to share it with
Yeah.
everybody. Like imagine if you had a device to your own self. I think it would have gone
Hmm.
bananas.
But that all changed as
Yeah,
like time went by.
yeah,
And I guess since WhatsApp started coming up, Instagram
yeah.
started coming. Though for me, I still like kind of went away from social media more than anything because
So specifically for Facebook, what happened? Like, where did the decline start for you?
I guess around 12th standard,
Okay.
where like I started to do my own stuff, kind of look into things that I wanted to do, kind of, in a way growing up to an extent,
Okay.
trying to understand what I wanted, and like rather than any, because school was over,
Yeah.
I was already talking to my best friends on
BB
WhatsApp.
and
So
WhatsApp.
or BBM. Like, BBM actually had gone away by 2012, I guess.
Okay.
I was in 12th in 2012, so yeah.
Yeah, yeah. You had the whole rise of the Android and Apple
Yeah.
battle.
So yeah, for me that was the thing. But yeah, so I think it was more so I already had people I wanted to talk to on my phone, on my smartphone apps, where it was WhatsApp or anything. I could like talk to them there. Why do I need to go to Facebook, right?
Makes sense.
And Cityville, Farmville, whatever those games were,
Yeah.
they lost their novelty a very long time. Like I think they were fun for maybe a month,
Okay.
2 months,
Okay.
and then after that, I was like, yeah, no, I am gonna switch on the PlayStation
Oh, you have a
and
PlayStation.
play there.
Life is good.
Uh, but yeah, so I think the more time went on and the more I started getting busy with other things, the more I lost interest in Facebook, because one, I didn't know in college in NM, like I wasn't one to like socialize a lot.
Yeah.
I had very limited amount of friends there. Whoever I had, like I spoke to on personal chat or call, or I spoke to them on call, or we were
Mm.
meeting every day. So at the end of the day, Facebook wasn't something that I prioritized, and I just started losing interest. And yeah, I guess it just, I don't know, it was a very weird progression of like being on there for hours and hours a day
Yeah.
to not caring about that platform at all, no matter
Correct.
like what happened.
For me, that transition happened, I mean, in like two parts. I think the first part was that, remember Facebook initially, for me at least, and like if I don't know, if someone listening to this is not aware of the fact, maybe you are, maybe you aren't, but I'm just putting it out there, is that your Facebook feed is completely customized to show you content that Facebook thinks you might like. Okay,
Yeah.
of course, you and I have completely different sets of friends. Like, let's say the listener, Sheeple A, and me, Sheeple B, have two sets of friends. So that content is different. But apart from that, the advertorial content, and even let's say similar content, let's say your friend having a baby versus my friend having a baby, and the chances of us
Mm.
seeing that in our feed are very different based
Uh,
on what Facebook thinks we like. So what started happening with my feed, or in my experience, is that a lot of social advocacy, or sort of, like save animals, and there's an earthquake in Japan
yeah.
and let's
Yeah.
raise money. So I think that sort of disturbed my utopian view that Facebook
Hmm.
was this happy place where you just went and played games and liked band pages and kept in touch with friends and had silly conversations. I think
Right.
when that bubble started to burst, I sort of started seeing through the cracks and I realized that it's making me feel a little more negative. Uh,
Ah,
and to be very honest, if I'm going to the virtual world to disconnect from reality, but if I'm reminded of reality in the virtual world, it sort of defeated that purpose in
yeah,
my.
true.
And also the fact that moms and dads started making Facebook accounts. That was annoying. That was
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. When my
until
mom added me on Facebook and all my family members added me on Facebook, I was like,
yeah,
yeah,
dude. You know what? I have
that's
this
not.
thing. I like to think of it this way: that the death of a social platform begins when the baby boomer joins the platform. Like
The
WhatsApp
boomers, the boomer meme lives here as well. The boomers are
started.
everywhere.
Like look at WhatsApp. I remember I used to spend so much time on WhatsApp, but now I don't because I have some Jain family group and some Thakur family group and some like what the fuck?
Um,
There,
no,
there are
I
there
mean,
are
honestly,
groups and
it's
there are groups that send just good
yeah,
morning messages and
yeah.
groups that just have
That's those are the
sayings.
worst. Those
So
are the
I
worst.
think even with stuff like WhatsApp or with any platform, the way I see it, the minute like an older generation enters in, I'm like, bye. हो गया दोस्तों अपना, मैं चलता हूँ because you sort of come to these places to hide from those
Yeah.
people, right? Like, I mean, let's say you smoke cigarettes and you drink alcohol, and let's say your parents don't know that, but your friends do. So you can put up all of those photos on Facebook. But now imagine your mom has joined Facebook.
Yeah, honestly, Facebook wasn't. The other thing about Facebook is, I think, the more time went on, the less I saw what's happening with people, and it was just advertisements,
Yeah,
pages, advertisements, and sometimes I didn't even want to see what the pages are saying.
correct.
And at that point, like I was already getting bored from just looking at that feed because even if I wanted to know about someone, I would have to search for them rather than getting their info on the feed
Yeah,
and whoever I really did want to talk to, I already was. So it kind of became like a moot point to be on that platform because it was like, yeah, I guess it's there for the sake of it being there.
correct.
People have Facebook. I've not deleted it, even though I like
Yeah,
rarely use it. I think,
yeah, it's like that piece of
yeah,
clothing that you don't wear anymore, right? But you don't want to
yeah.
throw it out either. It's just lying in your wardrobe for 10 years now, and you probably not wore it. But yeah,
But
I
that's Facebook at the end of the day, right? Like, there's so much more in
think
social media because
true, true.
things
You
started coming up that people are using more now, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Um,
correct. So I think the next big thing, like there was a huge gap between the introduction of Facebook and the introduction of
yeah.
Instagram for me. I think Instagram came
Same,
much
same.
later, probably
Yeah.
a good 5, 6 years later. And I remember being very reluctant. I think, and that's when I realized that I was becoming a little older and obsolete because this new app was on the market, and instead of just wanting to download it, I was just putting it off, putting it off, putting it off. And then I remember then this woman I was involved with back then, she had an account, and it was really important for her that I be on the platform and like her photos, and she wanted to put up photos of us. And I remember then I reluctantly joined Instagram, and then Instagram
Yeah.
was a very revolutionary take, huh? Like for the lack of a better
Yeah.
word, like Facebook
So
became
so you can kind of say for all this social media, you
yeah.
kind of had an old soul's perspective.
Oh my God, see what you're doing there, not much. Yeah, I had this
I'm sorry.
obsolete perspective. I had an obsolete perspective on life.
Yeah.
And Instagram came in,
I'm
and
so sorry for that.
uh,
It was just in my head. I had to say it.
uh, okay, you probably guys don't know what's going on. You sheeples, this is an inside joke.
Yeah.
Sorry for
It's an
you,
inside joke.
not an inside
I
joke.
mean, some of the sheeples do know what we are
Yeah.
talking about.
Okay. So Facebook was super texty. Like,
Yeah.
Facebook and I had a very textual relationship. Like,
Yeah.
it was chunky text, like people writing
Yeah.
funny comments, and it was not as many photos as Instagram was. Because Instagram just 90% highlighted the photos and then said, fuck you, text. We
Fair.
don't want you.
Fair.
And I think I went from being a more active person on Facebook to like a more laid back, passive person on Instagram. Like that was
Hmm.
my journey. What about you?
So Insta, it's okay. So here's the funny thing. I truly started getting into Instagram
Hmm.
because of Sheeples.
Hmm.
Because of Sheeples.
Like
Before
active.
this,
You were
Yeah,
passive.
active on Instagram. Before this, I was passive. I was on the platform. I used to look at stuff there, um, see people stories here and there, but I never. I wasn't like an avid poster.
Yeah,
I would say I was very just like passively looking at stuff, not really caring. I'm just like going through the feed and then shut it off.
yeah,
Because of Sheeples, I kind of truly was able to explore the platform
yeah,
and learn a lot more. So for me, Insta technically didn't start till what
till,
2020,
yeah,
which is crazy to think about.
which is the first
but
point.
but yeah, Insta kind of did, and
Also
because of
keep in mind the fact that I think at least I did when I started on Facebook, the
yeah
experience was primarily desktop.
yeah
Like I was sitting on a large screen and I was scrolling with a mouse. That was Facebook, at least for the first 2 years. Instagram was mobile first. Like,
oh
so
yeah.
I'm sure that that makes a difference. Like it's easier to be more engaged when you are on the desktop, but I think the scenario is completely different. And
Actually, the thing was, I was more interested in YouTube. That and
ah,
um, I'm a very like I don't know uh, a big fan of YouTube stuff because I find it really entertaining to me personally. I watch a lot of YouTube in general because I feel like that it's non-committal content to an extent.
fair.
It's not like bite size because I want more than just like a 5 second thing, but it's
Right,
enough. It's not like too big also and not too small. It's just the right size to have like a a fun time. Comedy is there, fun stuff, information, educational, everything. It's a mix, right?
correct.
And for me that was a lot of fun because I ended up like following a lot of YouTubers, watching their stuff, learning from them, like learning their style of content, seeing what kind of work they are doing, and I think I grew up on that particular platform more than anything else. Like if it comes to Instagram, when I explored it because of Sheeples, I learned like that I could do so much more with this platform
Hmm.
and maybe explore it more. Do like maybe I should have used it more to put out my creative stuff early on
Hmm.
because but I guess it's also the fact that I was never like I never had that in me to be like अरे मेरे को इसके लिए करना है मतलब I have to do it for this or this reason or whatever, so let's actually sit and make something and put it out.
Fair.
And the moment started doing it, the more fun I started having with that platform, and I realized like there's a lot more to Instagram and the work we can do on that than just like posting pictures of ourselves.
True.
And I think that
Uh,
revelation kind of opened that platform up a lot more than it would have originally for me.
in
And I mean, I think this goes for you as well. Is that we aren't people who really like to click pictures of ourselves or pictures
Yeah.
in general a lot.